Welcome to ReNews, where we bring you renewable energy news on a weekly basis. This is the breaking news out of the PPA market in June 2021. The leading type of transactions within this year, up to date, is still the corporate power purchase agreements. And the biggest European PPA deal of June took place between developer Taleri Energia and utility Suomen Voima. For those who are unfamiliar with the term PPA, PPAs or power purchase agreements are direct contracts between buyers and sellers of renewable energy. Here we see the data of the total European PPA capacities of institutional end consumers, such as corporates and utilities from 2017 to 2021. We can see that the PPA capacity was growing up to 2019, and in 2020 the decrease could be adduced by COVID-19 among other factors. In 2021 until June, we see the total amount of 7,323 megawatt in PPA capacity. We're only half through the year, but expect the PPA capacity of 2021 to grow higher as the total amount in the previous year. Let's look at utility PPAs. They follow the same pattern, but they were very low in 2017, with only 90 megawatts. After peaking in 2019, they are expected to grow even more again after 2021. Up to June, we already have a total utility PPA capacity of 6,582 megawatts. Corporate PPAs, however, have kept growing even during the pandemic. They reached the amount of 3,619 megawatts in the first 6 months of 2021 and are expected to continue to rise in the next coming years. Here we see monthly charts about the PPA capacities in 2021. So far, within the year 2021, we see a continuously stable deal flow, with a preliminary peak in the first quarter of the year. Until now, the corporate PPA is still the leading type of transactions within the year 2021, with a 22% higher amount of renewable energy capacity. For the month of June, we see that the total PPA capacity was 966 megawatts, with 678 megawatts coming from utility PPAs and 288 megawatts from corporate PPAs. And this is the biggest European PPA contract closed in June 2021. Developer Taleri Energia sells a big proportion of the electricity of 2 of their wind farms to utilities Suomen Voima through a power purchase agreement. Both parties announced this on June 4th, 2021. The Taleri Solar Wind 2 fund invested in 2 ready-to-build wind farms in Finland, acquiring 100% of the Isoveena and Murtotuli wind farms. The construction started in April 2021 and will be operational by the end of 2022. These will have the combined capacity of 252 megawatts produced by 42 wind turbines. Through a 15-year power purchase agreement, the electricity produced by both wind parks is sold to a large share to Suomen Voima. Suomen Voima is a Finnish energy company providing renewable electricity to its customers. This is what Taleri Energia's managing director Kai Rintala had to say about the PPA deal. He said, "These 2 Finnish wind investments are fully commercial, subsidy-free, utilize very latest wind turbine technology and demonstrate the value of our in-house project development, construction technical and commercial management capabilities. And Pekka Sajonma, Suomen Voima's Director of Development, said, "The PPA contracts are the first of its kind for our company and will more than double our current electricity procurement. Contract negotiations have also been an educational process, and cooperation with Taaleri's professional staff has been constructive and proficient." So that was our PPA market news. So next week, my colleague Stefan Hund will talk about Germany in this month's Country Bulletin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel called Thinkry to stay up to date with our weekly news. We also have a newsletter to which you can subscribe for deeper insight on the renewable energy developments. You can find the link in the description below the video. You can also follow our activities and posts on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. We wish you an electrifying day. Stay tuned.